Now, the last first aid kit that we have is this one from Everlit Survival. So, this does include 400 pieces, and similar to the other one, it does open up, and you've got like a nice shelving unit to help guide what you need and easily organize everything. So, similar to the other one, of course, sometimes things are going to fall out, but just like that, course, just tuck it back in. And similar to the other one, this one, it's big and bulky. It's not the smallest, it's not the most compact, but the shelving unit definitely helps guide you as far as what you need. But if you go ahead and close this up, same thing as the other one. On the back, you have a list of all the contents that are within inside this first aid kit. So I'd say this isn't like the most beginner friendly first aid kit. Like if you are having an event and you know exactly what you need, you can easily scan this and then open it up and look for those materials, which is still great. But I'd say for cars or for people who again are brand new to first aid providing, this is probably going to be a bit more difficult to use, similar to the other hard case one. But at least on the back, you can hang it on the wall if you do decide not to put it in your car. Let's say you want to put it in your garage, or maybe put it inside a school, hang it on the wall. Once you take it out with the handle here, you just read the back and go ahead and see what's inside, and then go ahead and look for what's inside, exactly what you need.